Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing another glueless wig from none other than Luvme. Here, of course, they have all the good glueless wig that you're gonna need, y'all. They're so easy to put on, easy to take off. And this is a lace bag that came inside of the box that you could store the wig in, and I'll be showing you guys all the other stuff I got, like this bonnet, of course, that I really love. This is new. I usually get like that little mirror I show you guys all the time, but this time they sent me a bonnet, and of course I love it. I keep wearing it ever since. So and this is a stocking cap that came in there. I'm gonna be using that as well when I put my wig on. And they send me this little packet, of course, that they always do send me, but inside we have this little elastic band that you could use to hold your edges down if you're gluing it down, of course. And then this is a edge brush. This is the wig, guys. They are usually pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so like I said before, I really never have to do much to it besides just cutting the lace off of it. And maybe sometimes, like for this one, for example, is a curly wig, I might add something to the curls, so I braid it a little bit, but not all the time. It does come with 4 clips in it for extra support, and it also has that elastic band in it that will help to hold the wig onto your head. So you really don't need no glue, no adhesive, nothing like that to hold the wig on. And that's what I love about it, because you could easily put it on and take it back off. And look at the parting, guys. Look how nice that look against my skin. Also, look how juicy these curls are, guys. I cannot get enough of that. And the hair feels really nice and silky. I wish y'all could feel it. Like, you'll see, I couldn't take my hands out of it when I put it on. Here I'm putting the stocking cap on before putting my wig on. Sometimes I do wear these glueless wigs without stocking cap, but for this one I'm gonna be wearing one. So here I'm putting the wig on, guys, for the first time. I just want to see what it looks like straight out of the box. I didn't cut the lace off yet. I didn't do anything really. I'm just putting it on, you know, just to eyeball it, see what it looks like before I do anything else to it. Now that I've tried it on and I've seen how it looks on my hair, you know, with the lace on it, I'm going to go ahead, take it back off and cut the lace off so we can see what it looks like without the lace. So here I have the wig, guys, showing you that the lace is cut off of it. I did not cut it off while it was on my head, even though I could have done that, but it's super easy to take off and put back on, so I've decided to just take it off and cut it off because that would have been easier. Here I'm just adjusting it a little bit just to make sure that it's sitting exactly where I want it on my head before I do anything else to it. So I want my curls to be more open so the hair could look much fuller. So this is what I'm doing. I'm combing through it just a little bit, using the comb to tease them, and that's going to open them up a little. As you can see here, I'm not pulling the comb through the entire length of the hair. I'm just doing it in small sections, and this is how I tease it. To moisturize my curls, I have 2 different products. The first one is from African Pride, and it's a leave-in conditioner. And then the other one is from Outre, and this is the one that I'm gonna actually be using, but I'm showing them both to you guys that you can use, you know, almost any leave-in conditioner to moisturize your curls, or something that is curl enhancing. You can also spray a little bit of water on it if you feel like it, but I did not feel like it, so I did not. Also, if you get this wig, say for work or school where you have to put it on every day, I would advise you not to put the product on it every day, because that's gonna weigh it down. What you could do is spray water on it just to moisten it a little bit, and that will do. I would advise you to just add the product as needed, and it does not need the product on it every day. If you do that, y'all, you'll be walking out your house every day looking flawless in this curly wig. And the good thing about it being glueless is you don't have to sleep in it, so you'll get to take care of the wig even better. At night you take it off, put it on your wig cap, and in the morning you put it back on your head and go about your day. Now I'm all done with the hair, so you know what's next, guys. Makeup and outfit change. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap the hair up, put it under the bonnet that was sent to me with this hair, of course, because I love it so much. I just had to use it, and I will be back, guys, to show you the finished look. And this is it, guys. Super gorgeous and looking so good. Let me give you guys the up close on what it looks like, and also lift it up a little bit just to show you guys that it's not glued on at all. Yes, guys, Luvme hair always come through with this super cute glueless wig. Let me go ahead and turn around so you guys could see a 360 of the wig, the back of it, and all of that good stuff. Look at how flowy that is. Look at how juicy those curls are. Yes, you definitely need this wig, girl. To find this wig on their website, I'm gonna be leaving the link down below in the description box, and also the discount code, which is up on the screen right now. And you could use this code for any wig on their website, not just this wig. Guys, remember to follow me on my other social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I'm already seeing some of y'all on Instagram and TikTok, especially shouting me out, supporting. So I do appreciate y'all so much. If you find this video helpful, guys, as usual, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!